Alright, here's your daily price action outlook for January 15th, 2013. And quickly scan through the charts. Pretty lackluster Monday all in all. Price kind of bounced around both directions, and there's some pips to be had there and vacuumed up. Looking forward to the Tuesday session, we see on the euro here, looks like we're topping out possibly. Looking for this to come back today to the green zone here. And I think we'll get one more long off of that area. So I would like to get as far up here as possible to the top, and maybe short this down in Asia, and see what basically happens there during the London session if we're able to continue this up off of this green zone here. So initial short, and then looking for the long. Now let's look at the 4-hour chart on that, and you see here it could easily just roll over at this point and roll to the upside. So we just have to be watching that. And if you want to get short during Asia, you want to do it on the top of the hour and looking for a lower high signal. And I would use the 15-minute hourly chart after 8 a.m. Tokyo to try to get into that. Otherwise, if you're still in a long from earlier in the day, then you just want to manage that using the same method to exit that before the pullback occurs that we're expecting. Okay, so that's the Euro USD. And a quick look at the pound daily chart shows us that looks like pound's going to have a down day. I've drawn some red zones here now, and looking for shorts on basically on large pullbacks or decent sized pullbacks in the pound to the upside. Looking to short those to the downside. And on the Aussie USD, really this has come back to a level where I would expect it to continue back up to the north side of retest 106, and the daily price action sort of insists that's going to happen one time here. So do have a green zone to come down. So we'll see if we can get down to 105.25 for the long, back to the 106 area. So either way though, close to 106 is possible. I think there's still shorters there, and you'll see price action, and the right time of day you can also get a short right there as well. I think right here at 105.5, just need to wait on a little bit deeper into this red zone or down to the green zone for a buy alternately. Euro yen continued its march up basically at the end of the day, but didn't break yesterday's highs or anything like that. So I'm going to move this blue line to yesterday's high area, and looking for a pullback on this. We had talked about several levels. Let's just blow this up real quick, and optimally being at 117.70 to 118.20 is the first good place to go long on this. So waiting for a pullback and continuation on the euro yen. Taking a look at the oil chart, this feels a little bit bullish now to me. This new daily candle suggests it wants to head up. I do have a red zone here, but I think we're going to be testing 95 tomorrow, and then possibly deeper into 95.5. So we'll be looking at that as the New York morning approaches a little bit further along in the day. And the dollar index. So here we are at the daily doji candle. Sort of a stall out signal to me. I think it could really reach down a little bit further or head up to the top of the green zone at this point. 79.60 is near-term resistance and 79.40 support. So we're sort of in the middle of that now, and you can watch that also to help you along with that euro setup that we're looking at getting involved with as well. So, and taking a quick look at the gold chart. It's not ready yet on the daily. I still think we've got some shorts to be had, and we're still looking at that formation to come down and give us a good price action signal and a fib area off the bottom. And for the the nice size long, we're looking at getting involved in here. So we'll continue to watch for that, and that's going to be your daily price action outlook for January the 15th, 2013.